garden to pick some stuff with a wife. Come and join us. Chickens over there, just waiting. What are we picking right now, honey?
Tomatoes.
What type of tomatoes?
I have no clue. I have to dig in the drawer and look at the seeds to see what I planted. I don't remember. I just remember they said they were little and they're definitely little. You want some? Try it?
No. Yeah, mommy.
You want the bucket? Oh.
Dad.
Not the bucket. Can you take the red and orange looking ones, please?
You're okay, Ivy. She took a little tumble on her chair right there. We're sitting here watching Mama and Sissy pick some tomatoes. Got some
Like your pinky finger. Like a finger only.
beans right here.
I don't know if I'm going to make beans tonight. Probably not because we're eating pizza.
Mommy.
Got some heirloom tomatoes coming in.
They were my surprise seed.
Yeah, we didn't really know we had these, but gonna taste them anyways. I've never had a purple tomato, I believe is what they're gonna be. We'll see.
Oh, look, there's some red tomatoes over here. Tomatoes pretty big. Right now I'm in a tomato jungle.
All right, just finished that. And now we're gonna go get some blackberries.
I feel like you're getting very unflattering angles of me.
Y'all comment below. Are they flattering or unflattering angles? Do I need to work on my camera skills?
I don't hate that, Bobby.
Yeah, with the black ones.
Bobby, be not very.
Yeah, the red ones are not red.
Why?
Because they're not red.
Oh, they're very.
Good job, dude.
We appreciate y'all coming along today, picking some blackberries and stuff out of the garden with us. We've enjoyed bringing y'all along, and we will see y'all next week.